Hello there subscriber, welcome back to another video. I'm going to show you how to fix you can't use this feature right now. We limit how often you can't post, comment or do other things in a given amount of time to help protect your community from spam. You can't try again later, learn more. So this error on Facebook, so how can I fix this? So firstly, back home screen, and firstly for open Facebook app, your iPhone, iPad and Android phone. So you have tap on menu, just tap it and here's new appear on screen. Just scroll down, you have tap on settings and privacy, tap it and tap on settings. So wait a few seconds, and so guys, back and tap on help support and tap on report a problem. Just tap it and tap on continue to report, tap it. So guys, here's a new appear on screen, include complete logs and diagnosis to your report. Just tap on include in report, just tap it. So choose a feature, and so here error and scroll down, just tap on profile. So take screenshot, just tap it and take a screenshot and tap and what went wrong. So guys, here written by their Facebook team, by mistake your security system blocked my like and comment option. You can't use this feature right now. So guys, you have tap on send. So after 5 minutes your account fixes this problem. So if you have any problem, let me tell in the comment. I help you. Please subscribe to my channel and like, comment, share. Thanks for watching videos. Thank you.